Does your black and white exterior feel more flat than fabulous? You're not alone. Many homeowners love the timeless combo of black and white, but struggle to make it feel warm, modern, and welcoming instead of stark. Here's the truth. You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to change that. With just a few smart updates, your black and white exterior can go from plain to picture perfect. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful design ideas to transform your home's exterior. From siding and trim to lighting and landscaping, you'll discover practical tips, inspiring examples, and budget-friendly upgrades. Stick around, because the last idea might just be the finishing touch your home has been waiting for.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
White siding and black trim. Let's start with the foundation of every stunning black and white home: white siding with black trim. Options like board and batten siding for that farmhouse charm, smooth horizontal lap siding for a clean, modern look, or even stone mixed with white siding for texture and contrast. Add bold black trim around windows, doors, and roof lines for sharp definition. Story example: one homeowner swapped their faded beige exterior for crisp white siding with matte black trim, and instantly became the house everyone slowed down to admire. Why it works: white keeps the look timeless and bright, while black adds depth, elegance, and modern character. If you'd live in a black and white house tomorrow, hit that like button. Bold doors and windows. Your front door sets the tone for your home, so make it count. A matte black door creates a sleek, contemporary statement. Add glass panels or side lights for natural light and elegance. Black framed windows with grills or grid patterns give a farmhouse meets modern touch. Styling tip: pair a black door with matte hardware, a white welcome mat, and planters on each side for an inviting entryway. Tell me in the comments, would you go for a glossy black door or a matte finish? Roof and gutter pairings. Next, let's talk roofing and gutters, two details that can make or break your black and white look. Black metal roofing adds drama and durability. Charcoal asphalt shingles are a cost-friendly but stylish option. Pair with sleek black gutters and downspouts for a seamless frame. Pro tip: dark roofs absorb heat, a bonus if you live in a cooler climate. Drop A in the comments if you'd choose a bold black roof for your dream home. Black outdoor lighting. Lighting isn't just functional, it's your home's jewelry. Add black lantern-style sconces for farmhouse charm. Modern black pendants over porches for a sleek touch. Pathway lighting with matte black finishes ties the whole look together. Styling tip: use warm-toned bulbs so your black fixtures feel cozy instead of harsh. Imagine a perfect evening outside. Dinner, movie night, or a quiet glass of wine. Which one are you picturing? Contrast landscaping. Finally, let's bring the whole look together with contrast landscaping. White gravel or stone paths highlight the black accents. Lush green plants, from boxwoods to hydrangeas, soften the boldness. Black planters with white flowers add the perfect finishing touch. Bonus: adding pollinator-friendly plants like lavender or coneflowers will bring butterflies and hummingbirds to your yard. The full plant list and planter guide are linked in the description. So here's the big question. Is your black and white exterior a flat facade, or the most stunning feature of your home? The truth is, you don't need a massive renovation to fall in love with it. Start with just one of these 5 ideas. white siding with black trim, bold doors and windows, roof and gutter pairings, black outdoor lighting, contrast landscaping. Each adds style, function, and personality, making your home's exterior just as welcoming as what's inside.